Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A33 from 2020, and let me show you how to set date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the additional settings, which are right here. On the second position we've got date and time, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got some options to customize. First of all, we can decide what kind of clock format we want to use. So now we are using 24-hour format, but in order to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see on the status bar, it is immediately changed. What's more, now we are using network provided time and time zone, but in order to set it manually, just tap on the switcher again, and here we've got the set time option, so we can tap on it, and by swiping choose the date and the time you want to use, and it is also immediately applied. What's more, we can change the time zone. Simply tap here, and here we've got the full list of available time zones, so simply find the one you want to use and tap on it. But be aware that after choosing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. What's more, under it we've got the home screen world clock, so of course if you want to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here, and then you will be able to add your home screen world clock. What's more, you can also use dual clock if you want. If not, just tap on the switcher to turn it off. If you want to get back to all previous settings, just tap on the switcher to turn on the network provided time, and tap here to use 24-hour format. So actually that's all. This is how to set date and time in your OPPO A33 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.